Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to get your order total price in WooCommerce WordPress. First of all guys, I will need you to go to your WordPress website and then go to your dashboard from wordpress.com/wp-admin, or else you can just open your local host. After that guys, I will need you to log in, then this dashboard shall be open, so go to plugins after that, click on add new, and then search for WooCommerce, just type it over here and then install it through here, which is this one, and make sure that it is updated and 5 millions active installation, so you don't have to install like any wrong WooCommerce plugin. Now after you're done with that, activate it, then go to install plugins, go to active, and then from there guys make sure that it is active and it is on this list. If not, just go to inactive. From here you will find it over here, so just click on activate. If there's any update, just update it, and then all I need to do is refresh the page. Now you will notice that there is some extra elements in here. That means that you are all good and settled up. Now for us to actually see the order total, what you can do is pretty simple. You can just go to orders through here, and basically here you can see the total, which is, for example, for this order I have €2, this one is 0, or through the shop itself. So for example, if I want to here visit store, and let's say that I have ordered an iPhone X with 2 Pringles. So let me just add the Pringles, 3 Pringles, 4 Pringles, and I clicked on update cart. Here guys, you will notice that there is the total down below. So here's the subtotal: shipping, free shipping, shipping to Madrid, for example. And here I can just click to over here to proceed to checkout. And after that, when I really have finished everything in here and paid, you will have the order over here with the total, which is 812 euros. So I think, yep, to 812 euros, which will be appearing over here. So again, that's how you can get your order total in WooCommerce. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial.